Hi guys. So let me tell you, I didn't post it some days because I felt really sick, and I'm sick for a month right now. But I'm going to some doctors, and I went yesterday. Now I'm going today also, and I hope I can fight this cold and this sinusitis. I have a sinus problem, so my right sinus is full and it's blocked, better said. It's blocked, and I'm going to an ENT to see how can I get better and faster, because I'm coughing a lot, and I keep waking my baby up at night because of that. So we're not resting enough, neither I nor her. So it's been difficult. So I haven't posted because she didn't let me. I didn't post it because I wasn't capable of filming. Also, my voice is off. My vocal cords are strange right now. So that's why I really hope I will feel better. But I have some footages of past days. I hope you enjoyed those until then. And I just filmed, I had help from my mom with my baby, and I just filmed a video with some hairstyles, some holiday hairstyles. They're super easy and cute and really feminine. So yeah, let's get started. Hi guys, so we are going to sort out some clothes because she has a ton of clothes. So I really wanted to continue what we started yesterday. Yeah, it's a mess down there, the playroom. So yesterday we started to sort out. Boo. Yesterday we started to sort out her clothes, and I didn't finish it, so we'll try to finish it now. She's thirsty. So a part of them are done here, and I still have her dresses and some other clothes to organize and sort out. So I'm going just to take everything out and we'll start organizing together. Okay, Vicky. Also your pants. Your pants. We need to sort everything out. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. So, we're having some pasta with chicken and zucchini and also turmeric and some white sauce. Creamy. Perfect. She loves it. I'm eating with her here, and I also place here a napkin because you know the power of example. Chicken. Water? Water. Water. Can you say water? Water. Water. Mm. Good morning, you guys. My baby is very sick. Very sick, right? She didn't slept well. She has a cold. Her nose is super runny. But I'm going to make her breakfast right now. Something sweet and hot. So I hope she likes it. And after that I'm going to make her a good old chicken soup. And I also want to make a bread pudding because I have some sweet bread that's old and I want to really make something out of it. And after that I think I'm going to clean something in the house because yeah, it's needed. So here's the sweet bread and I'm going to make a pudding out of it. For the pudding, 1 small tablespoon of vanilla sugar and a pinch of cinnamon. And after that I'm going to add the milk slowly. You can mix any spices you want. I want only these, but you can add some nutmeg or other Christmassy stuff if you like. Vanilla essence or anything that you like. Now for the sweet bread I'm just going to tear this apart in small pieces. You can also cut it if you like. If it's older, it's better because it absorbs more milk. And I'm just going to put these in my tray here. I try to include her as much as possible in everything I do. That way she's not bored. She needs constant activities. She doesn't need toys all the time, she just needs to do what I'm doing. Anyway, I think it's not going to be enough, so I'm going to grab another cup of milk, but we'll see. Like so, yeah, it doesn't cover it. I think it needs to be covered more. I'm just going to put some milk in this bowl because I want to wash all that spices, like so. And I'm just going to top it off here. I think it needs just a little bit more, like so. So now it goes in the oven. I don't have a rate, but I think would be a good addition to this bread pudding. I'm going to place it in the oven until it's golden. So I really hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.